Advertising your Habitat for Humanity ReStores on the thriftshopper.com is a powerful way to reach shoppers and donors nearby searching for thrift stores to frequent. The goal of our deluxe listings is to drive you more shoppers, which in turn increases the revenue for your Habitat affiliate. We accomplish this with an upgraded profile for your ReStores. For example, when someone searches for thrift stores in your city or zip code, the thriftshopper.com is on the first search results page of Google organically. Our Deluxe Listing Ads program includes an upgraded priority-placed profile seen within a 45-mile radius. Free listings are seen in a 15-mile radius. That increase in area coverage is over 900%. Our deluxe listings have features designed to convert the thriftshopper.com business profile views into new and repeat shoppers as well as potential donors. The thriftshopper.com offers you a branded profile with your Habitat affiliate logo and call to action links specifically designed with charity resale in mind. They include links to your website, all the ways you solicit donations, your online marketplace, ways to volunteer, sale and event info, and many more. We also offer the most popular social media icons so you can connect with your online audience directly and often. Our new, fully featured responsive design allows your enhanced deluxe listings to look great to users on all their home and mobile devices. The thriftshopper.com offers simple, convenient, and effective ways to promote your Habitat ReStores to consumers searching nearby for what you offer. For more information or to get started, click the link in the description below, email, or call us today.